Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video I will show you how to fix a defect at this Parkside model. This model from 2022 has a more special problem. When idling it is okay, but when it is put under load, the gearbox stops, only the engine remains in motion. The rotation movement is interrupted on the route. At this moment, as you can see, the motor is not that old, but really, this cordless impact driver has been exploited a lot. Attention! This part of the gearbox is attached to the engine with 2 screws. To be able to work more easily, I detached the motor from the electric part of the drill. Here is the problem: the pinion on the central axis of the motor spins freely. See how the motor fan stands still and the pinion rotates on the shaft. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Normally these pinions are fixed to the shaft by pressing or have a locking pin. It can be seen that the pinion has a small side hole exactly at the end of the shaft bore. This hole is to remove air or glue when the pinion is inserted on the shaft. To fix the pinion I will use this adhesive, that you can find in the description. Before applying it, I will make a few scratches on the shaft and degrease it to make a perfect contact. You can see how the excess glue comes out of that hole. Without that hole the pinion could not be fixed on the shaft, because it would have created pressure at the end of the shaft and it could not be inserted. After mounting, leave 2 to 3 hours for the glue to harden, after which it can be used. Thank you for watching. And do not forget, like and subscribe.